Greetings, this is M Squared with a tutorial on finding the circumference of a circle. Just a reminder, the circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. How many centimeters or feet or yards it would take to go around the circle. So our two formulas that you have a choice of using are circumference equals diameter times pi, or circumference equals radius times pi. Remember, 2 radii, which is from the center to the edge of the circle, equal a diameter, which is a chord that goes through the center and touches the circle on both ends. So these directions say find the exact circumference of the following circles. That means I want pi as part of my answer. I don't want to round or multiply by 3.14. So if they give me the diameter, I want to use the formula that has the diameter in it. So I say circumference equals diameter, which is 10 centimeters, times pi. Well, then I have 10 pi centimeters. That's my answer. If they give me the radius, and the radius is 4, then I'm going to say 2 times 4, which is 8, times pi meters. So I have 8 pi meters. So that is how you find circumference if you're given the diameter or the radius. Now this next one, they give you the circumference and they're asking you to find the diameter. And if they asked you to find the radius, you just could use this formula or use this formula and then divide by 2 at the end. Anyway, so if the circumference of a circle is 20 feet, that means circumference, which is d times pi, is 20 feet. I'm choosing to use this formula because they're asking for the diameter. Well, they're asking me to round to the nearest tenths, not the exact. If they wanted exact, I would just divide by pi and the answer would be 20 divided by pi. But they're asking for a rounded answer. So I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by pi, because when I do that, the pi's cancel out on that side, and I'm left with d equals 20 divided by pi. Then I go to my little calculator, and mine has a pi button right here. Yours should have a pi button somewhere. If it doesn't, you could always divide by 3.14. And I find that it's 6.366, but they asked me to round to the nearest tenths, which is that place, so I look to the right. That's a 6, which means I need to move that one up. So my circumference is 6.4 feet. And this is M Squared signing out.